Okay, I'm doing something a little bit different this week. So, I told you guys a couple of months back that I decided to partner up with Canva because I love them so much. I love what they offer, I love using all the tools, and I think it's just such a great value for the price point. So, I've partnered up with them and I am one of their Canvassators, and they did something so fun. So I've been part of other affiliate programs before, worked with other companies, and every once in a while they'll send you like a little something. But Canva went all out. They sent an entire swag box, and it's so cute too. Like, seriously, how cute is that? It's very creative and very, Canva-esque. Anyway, so what I decided to do is I'm going to unbox this. I already know what's in here because I got to make some selections and things like that of sizes and colors in some cases. But I just wanted to unbox it with you and show you the fun that you can have as a business owner. Even as a solopreneur, you could still get all the fun swag. So, I'm probably going to need... Oh, I don't need scissors because they have one of these kinds of boxes. Also fun. Okay. So we're going to open it up. Oh, and it says, ready to meet your design. That's fun. This is super fun. Okay. Ooh. Well, that's so kind. Okay. So let's see what we got in this box. Get rid of that. Okay. So we've got a nice little note from them, just like welcoming me into their community and all that fun stuff. That's always fun. Okay, so here's down to the fun stuff. All right, so the first thing we got, and this one I did get to pick the color, and honestly, I had a hard time deciding because I like blue. I'm a blue person, which you could see in the background and all over my channel and everything like that, but when it comes to things that I wear, I tend to be more on like the gray and neutral side. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to be a little more fun this time. So I went with blue, and this is really cute. It's actually really nice quality. I'm not a huge hat person, and I do feel like it's... Oh, okay. I mean, not a huge hat person, but I think it's really cute. So, hello, my hair. Okay. I think it's really cute. I am going to have to get this bill worked out a little bit because I don't do the flat bill. I don't understand that trend. Maybe someone can explain that to me because I don't get it. But anyways, so we've got a fun baseball cap, and then we've got some fun little Canva pins. So this one just the Canva logo, and then this one's like a community Canvassador logo. That's fun. And then speaking of pins, we also have pens, which I love. Is anybody else like weirdly obsessed with pens? Because I'm weirdly obsessed with pens. But the brand is called Jotters, which I like. That's cute. And they just come in the Canva colors with the Canva logo on it. I think this is such a great example of ways that we can get our brand out into the world. Now, they went maybe a little bit farther than all of us are going to go because, like, budget-wise, we don't necessarily have the budget to send out this much stuff to as many people as I'm sure they're going to send things to. But it's a cool idea, right? And even cooler is to partner up with somebody locally who makes these kinds of tools. So not only are you able to send swag out to, get brand recognition and brand, what's the word I'm looking for? Brand awareness, that's the word I'm looking for. Brand awareness for your business, but then you can support another solopreneur, another small business too. I have someone locally here that I love to work with in that way. She makes great stuff. So, encouragement, look for somebody like that. But these are great ideas to not just reward, but make certain people in your community really feel welcome into your community. Okay, and then there's a t-shirt, which is just nice and simple. It's just black on the back and says Community Canvassador. It's the same Community Canvassador logo there. Fun. And then we've got, ooh, this feels nice. I wonder if, I don't know if this is just a notebook or if it's like a journal. No, it's just a notebook. Plain notebook, but like, again, totally in the Canva colors with their little logo at the bottom. And this is like, it's like that, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like, it almost doesn't feel like paper. Like, feels like there's like a rubbery texture to it, which is, I don't know, fun. So cool. And then at the bottom, this is kind of an interesting twist. I guess, you know, one of the things that Canva is real big on is, you know, the environment and things like that, which works well for me because in my corporate world, I'm in that industry as well. So it's kind of cool. They have this thing at the very, very bottom. I don't know if you could see that, but it's basically like a certificate of like saying that it's a certificate of appreciation. And it says, by printing this design, you have planted a tree. So they have like a program where when you print designs with them, they, you know, offset that carbon footprint by planting trees and things like that, which I think is really cool. So anyways, that is it. I just wanted to say thank you to Canva for all the fun swag. I am so excited to use the pens and to work in this notebook and even to wear this hat, which is not even normally my thing, but like, I don't know, I'm thinking it's kind of cute. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.